Hey guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. Per viewer request, I'm going to demonstrate how to tie the 5-part 4-byte Turk's head on a pinned mandrel. This is a quick and easy tutorial. We're going to tie our knot on a pinned mandrel an inch in diameter. The mandrel has a total of 4 sets of pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a 4-pin pinned mandrel. I highly recommend using a lacing needle to make your tying a bit easier. Finally, we're going to require a single piece of Paracord 550. A single pass knot is going to require about 3 feet of cord. A 2-pass knot is instead going to require about 5.5 feet of Paracord 550. To set up my cord and mandrel, I'm going to grab my cord and feed it into the hole in my mandrel near pin 1 on the left side. If you don't have a hole, use a rubber band to secure this end of your cord. Attach a lacing needle onto the other end. So we start at pin 1 on the left side. We move to pin 3 on the right. From pin 3 on the right side, we move to the next pin on the left. So to pin 2, traveling over 1. From pin 2 on the left, we move to the next pin on the right. So to pin 4, going over 1. From pin 4 on the right side, we pass to the next pin on the left, traveling the opposite to this strand here, under, then over. Reaching pin 3 on the left. We now move to the next pin on the right side, traveling parallel to the standing end, under, then over. Reaching pin 1 on the right. We now move to the next pin on the left, traveling the opposite to this strand here, over, under, over, reaching the next pin on the left, so pin number 4. We now move to the final pin on the right side, traveling between these 2 strands and doing the opposite. Over, under, over, reaching pin number 2 on the right. We are now at our final pass, traveling back to pin number 1 on the left, traveling the opposite to this strand here, under, over, under, over, reaching pin number 1. Place your working end next to the standing end, and your knot is complete. A 5-part, 4-bite Turk's head. Five parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 bites, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it helps. Thank you and see ya next time.